What's up, you guys? This is Ike, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your Galaxy S20 Ultra charging port. So let's get into it, shall we? If you do not feel comfortable with fixing your device yourself, you're more than welcome to contact us from the description that will be provided below. Also, you can visit me at my personal website page, and that is ikethefixguy.com, where you can also read a little bit more about how I got started with my company. And I believe there's a mail-in section there where you can read up a little bit more how to send your device in to us. And the turnaround time is typically from 1 to 3 business days. We can have it back out to you pretty quickly, and also we do offer insurance, sending your device back to you. So yeah, feel free to reach out to us with any questions or concern as well. When replacing your charging port, you want to make sure that it's flushed properly into the frame before assembling your device back together. If you like this video, please like us and subscribe. And until next time, you guys take good care of yourself, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day.